Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to navigate to coordinates in your Garmin Drive 60, 50, 55, 65 and so on in your Garmin Drive GPS unit. How to go to GPS coordinates. So here is how we do it. So this is your GPS unit. You click on where to, and right here you should have an icon for coordinates, but you don't. And here's how you add that shortcut for that. You click on add shortcut, and then you go to down arrow and choose coordinates. Click OK. And now you have the coordinates option. If you want an additional shortcut, you go down and you have additional shortcuts to add. For example, if you want to add intersection, you click add shortcut, intersections, and now you have coordinates and intersections. Now if you are moving, if you're navigating to coordinates more often than anything else, then you want the coordinates icon or shortcut to come closer up top. How do you do that? You put your finger on coordinates, don't let go. Put your finger on it and don't let go. And then move it. Move it up here, right next to home, because you use that more often. If you're using categories more often, or something that's down below, if you're using intersections more often, and you want this to be right next to home, click on it. Okay, drag it up. Go more up. Click. And there. The touchscreen responsiveness is not that good. But now I have home, intersection, coordinates on the very top. If you want to remove a shortcut, if you think it's too crowded, you click here, remove a shortcut, touch to remove, touch to remove, touch to remove, touch to remove, touch to remove. Done. Okay, so now all those are gone. Okay, now if I want to bring them back, I missed them, click on this and choose what you want to bring back. You want the address to be there? Bingo. You want the address to be on the top? Hold on. Cancel. Right there. It's on the top. Trip planner for squares. You know, everything came back. And you can add more if you wanted to. Okay? I hope you learned a thing or two from this. Please make sure to like and subscribe.